Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I'm going to show you a website that will help you out for the upcoming FDA Catalyst. So, April is a month that is big for a lot of FDA approvals and also rejections. And there's a few websites that you need to keep an eye on, and I'm going to show you one of them right now. So before we go any further, if you're looking for a community of like-minded individuals to where, we harbor honesty and transparency, check out Transparent Traders on Facebook. I'm one of the co-founders for it. We have a free course, that will teach you how to momentum trade and other things, such as option trading and just, a community who supports each other. So, also, I would really appreciate it if you would, subscribe to my channel and get the word out. So far, we've been able to help, a ton of people actually to learn how to trade. The ones who have taken it serious, they have seen results. So those are the ones who I'm going to invest my time into to help them become better traders. So let's just go ahead and get to this video. It's going to be pretty short, and I'm going to put the link to this video. Well, not the video, the website in the description, so you guys can just, click on it, copy and paste it, whatever you need to do, and you'll have it. So here we are. This website, biopharmcatalyst.com, and again, I'll put this direct link in the description. So when looking at stocks that you're trading based off of FDA news, you want to kind of have an idea of when these approvals and things are going to take place. So this website right here, this is the calendar, and the direct link will take you right to this, but the Catalyst calendar right here, this is what you want to look at. And there's other things to look into right here that will help you out as well, but this is the calendar right here, and it goes forward, to as far as they, have this stuff marked for these possible approvals or rejections. Now, with that being said, this is something that you have to take very serious and research these companies. Just because it is on this calendar does not mean it's going to get approved. This is just a date stating that when, they announce this, it should fall on this date. And they're pretty good at it actually landing on this date. So, they're in times in the past, it's been off maybe just like a day or so. But overall, these calendars are pretty accurate. So, keep an eye on this calendar. This calendar will help you out in research. When you're trading off of FDA news, this is something that can become very volatile. You'll probably see a run-up before, the announcement, and that is people just banking on this news. You could also see, this news get rejected and the stock crashed the next day, or even get approved and it crash. It just depends on the market. So what logically makes sense doesn't always play out in the stock market, and more so when dealing with the FDA. So, I hope you guys can use this link right here. This is just, one of the many resources out there, but this is a pretty reliable website right here to get this news from. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.